This beautiful home is a gem located in the midst of several historic Fort Wayne neighborhoods and close to Foster Park. The home has been meticulously maintained and has many updates. The woodwork in the great room and dining room are in fantastic condition, preserving its original charm. You'll spend many relaxing evenings on the front porch or possibly enjoy the view from the second floor balcony. The home has recently been professionally painted inside and out to give it that refreshed and reinvigorated look. The hardwood floors have recently been professionally refinished, restoring them to their original glory. The back deck was rebuilt this year as well and is ready to host many relaxing evenings. Additional features include high-efficiency furnace, central air, 3 nice-sized bedrooms with ceiling fans. The basement could easily be transformed to your liking, either into a hobby area or just a place to hang out. This is a great home in a wonderful neighborhood. Not to mention, the seller is offering a 1-year home warranty with this home. Take a chance. You might find you've hit the jackpot. Call Dan Schneider to learn more.